Good afternoon. Welcome to SilkieFarms. Today we're doing some repair work on the John Deere Z355e. We broke a belt and we have to get under here, take that back pulley off with that retention arm on it so that we can get the belt on, and then wrap it up back there on that pulley. And the belt we're putting on, this part number is GX26422. It's roughly a $50 belt. So I've got it up on these ramps just to help me get underneath it. It's the first time I've done it with the ramps. We'll see if it helps or hinders. I think this is about my fourth belt putting on this thing, but we've had it for 8 years. I'm not going to go through all the details. All right, the first thing we got to do is take this front deck off. Do that by removing that one bolt. It's a 13 millimeter. They make it convenient because the deck retention pin has that socket on it, but it's easier if you use something like this. Okay, we've taken the spring off here. The spring goes here. Boop. So we can pull this pulley over so it's loose. We have to do that to get the belt on. It has this retention arm right there that holds the belt in place, so you have to take the pulley off to get that off. Then we can route the belt. Once the belt's routed loosely, we can get it back, get that pulley back on with the retention bar back on. And then once we get it completely routed from here, around the pulleys here and here, and then attached to the deck drive pulley back there, then we can pull this spring back over, hook it back on to tighten it up. All right, the belt is back on, got it routed. Had to look it up online how to route it because it's not, I mean, it's pretty simple, but it looks like it could go a different way. The important thing is on the blade drive pulleys, which is this one, the one under that cover there, and the one under that cover there, you have to make sure the V part of the belt is on those pulleys. And on the drive pulley in the back. And these belts, or these pulleys, your tensioner pulleys and routing pulleys, you have to make sure that the flat side is against the pulley and the triangular pointed end is sticking out. Hardest part is getting that pulley off to get that belt guard retention bar in there. Taking it off, putting it back on. I just put it on loosely, and then once the belt's in place, then I tighten it up, and then I pull the spring back and reattach it to tension everything up. And it looks like got a little bit of play, but not much. The belt's pretty tight. So now I just need to grease that fitting. It's the only one on here. And then I can put the deck back on and test it. I have a pro tip for you once I get this tested. Something that'll make it real easy to get this job done. Well, there she is, all patched up, back together. Did a test on the front yard, did some cutting, worked like a champ. Once again, back in action. And if you missed my video about my AgriFab bucket holder, trash picker-upper, you should watch that. It should be in the corner right up there somewhere. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. I almost forgot, pro tip, don't break your belt.